Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing a Mosasaurus in a fun and adorable retro cartoon style. So grab your materials, get comfy, and let's bring this amazing prehistoric marine reptile to life. Let's start with the eyes, giving our Mosasaurus one big rounded eye with a bright and expressive cartoon look. Now add those huge eyelashes, making her look extra cute and giving our Mosasaurus a friendly and feminine personality. Our little sea monster may look like a powerful prehistoric predator, but in our version, she's friendly, cute, and ready to make a splash. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Next, let's draw the long snout, keeping it smooth and slightly curved to create that classic Mosasaurus silhouette. Add the nostrils right near the tip of the snout, keeping them small and simple so the long shape remains clean. Mosasaurus was not a dinosaur. It was a marine reptile belonging to the mosasaur family, and mosasaurs were part of Squamata, the same larger reptile group that includes lizards and snakes. Mosasaurus lived during the Late Cretaceous Period, near the end of the age of dinosaurs, roughly between 100 and 66 million years ago. Now, let's open the mouth wide, giving her a big, cheerful expression while showing off those impressive teeth. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to discover more prehistoric creatures, check out our dinosaur playlist by clicking the card above. And then draw the tongue inside the mouth to give the expression more depth and personality. Add the teeth along the jaws, keeping them sharp and triangular. Wow, look at how cute she's already looking! Next comes the short neck, connecting the head smoothly to the body without making the transition too thin. Let's build the body with a rounded, soft shape, keeping the torso plump and streamlined at the same time to create that cute retro cartoon appearance. Now add the flippers, keeping them simple and rounded, since we're translating the real paddle-like limbs into a rubber hose cartoon style. Using the same simple approach and keeping all four flippers visually balanced around the body. The name Mosasaurus means Meuse lizard, referring to the Meuse River near Maastricht in the Netherlands, where some of the earliest famous fossils were discovered. In fact, Mosasaurus was known to scientists before dinosaurs even had their official name. One of its famous fossil discoveries dates back to the 18th century, decades before the word dinosaur was introduced. Next comes the long tail, sweeping gracefully behind the body and gradually becoming narrower toward the end. At the tip, add our stylized tail fluke, splitting it into two simple leaf-shaped points. This is a playful cartoon interpretation of the crescent-like tail fluke, supported by fossil evidence in mosasaurs. Now, add the lighter underside along the neck and belly, using simple curved segments to suggest the softer, contrasting underside of the character. For the main colors, we're using bright blue for the body, a soft cream tone for the underside and face, light blue for the tail fluke, and yellow for the spots. But remember, you can color your Mosasaurus however you like. Feel free to experiment with your own colors and create a completely unique sea monster. Let's place a few circular spots across the body and tail. They don't need to be perfectly symmetrical. These little details are here to give our Mosasaurus even more cartoon charm. And here's our Mosasaurus. Cute, friendly, and ready to explore the prehistoric oceans in our retro cartoon style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!